I think care from Bangalore. We have three manufacturing units for shirts, jeans, trousers, shorts, and track pants manufacturing. We are into this business last 20 years. We supply pan India and also export to more than 10 countries. You will get with us the best price and best quality. You can always visit our factory. You can see the fire gun jeans. Daily 3 to 4 lots jeans production we have in all the fitting. Tone, sim fit, balloon fit, ankle fit. So you can see the colors 100% premium. So export quality. This is our cotton pants production unit. You can see the jeans shirts. So as I mentioned, we have plenty of collections you can get at best price. 100% you will get 100 to 150 rupees lesser compared to others because we have complete one setup, including machines. Everything is one. You can see the linen pants. So visit always our factory. Thank you.